You know, some phishing links are quite more dangerous and more advanced. Let's take for example. This is a common phishing link, right? You can see that they tried to I tried to make it like the original PayPal.com, but instead of using the L, I used one. Please bear note whenever you're checking a URL, make sure that it is the correct spelling, because hackers oftentimes, trying to make some changes to the spelling and you accidentally click on it, right? So this doesn't follow the original command that we've set for it. Okay, there's no hyphen, it's just something small, a short URL. Now look at what it gives me, the output, the final output it gives me. Low risk. Bear in mind that this is a phishing link. This actually is a phishing link, but for some reason it flagged it as low risk. Right, so that's what I always try to say. Like this, a test. This is just a test to test, test to test. This is just my way of improving my skills with Python. So don't take it seriously. Maybe you can play around with it, but just don't take it seriously. All right. So until then, we'll talk more.